Hey there, curious minds. Today I'm diving into one of the most mind-bending mysteries of the cosmos. What really happens inside a black hole? Let's journey into the unknown, shall we? First, let's talk about the basics. A black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape it. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Cross it, and you're in a one-way trip to who knows where. Now, what exactly happens once you're inside? Well, here's where things get really wild. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, the core of a black hole, known as the singularity, is a point where gravity is infinitely strong and space-time curves infinitely. Imagine compressing a star several times more massive than our sun into an infinitely small point. Yeah, it's that intense, but what does that mean for anything that ventures into a black hole? Picture yourself falling in. As you get closer to the event horizon, the gravitational forces would start stretching you out in a process scientists call spaghettification. Fun name, not so fun experience. You'd be pulled apart atom by atom. Beyond the event horizon, things get even murkier. Some theories suggest that inside the event horizon, time and space swap roles. This means that once you're inside, moving forward in space is like moving forward in time. There's no turning back. Fascinating, right? One of the biggest questions scientists are grappling with is the information paradox. According to quantum mechanics, information about a physical system can't be destroyed. But what happens to all that information when it gets sucked into a black hole? Does it get lost forever? Or is there some way it's preserved? This remains one of the biggest puzzles in theoretical physics. Alright, curious minds, that's a wrap on our journey into a black hole. If you enjoyed this mind-bending adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe to Curious Minds for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring the universe.